Hello, lead learners and Wildcat family. I first of all want to say that I am grateful and humbled and honored that I get to be the principal at Old Kentucky Home Middle School. I'm excited about what this year has to bring. So secondly, the reason that I'm reaching out is to share some information that is past due for me to have shared with you. So those of you who were on the team last year know that this Lead Learner calendar has the updates for things that we're going to be doing, and I want to make sure that I continue doing that as far in advance as possible. So when you look at this week, there's only a couple of days where people are committed, if you will, to go to a couple professional developments, and that's Ignite Academy, and that was decided last year toward the end of the year, and Jamie Chenault is going to be leading those at the central office. So Michelle, Marla, Catherine, Christian, Jennifer, that is this Thursday. And I believe that Jamie just sent you guys some information about that and an invitation in your Google Calendar. Today, I'm meeting with those who signed up to continue planning the Wildcat launch and welcome back. The launch, as you can see, is on Wednesday, and it's for 6th grade students only from 8:30 to 11:30. So I highly encourage you, if you are a 6th grade lead learner, that you come be a part of that and meet those students. The things that we'll be doing during that time is having students review the Wildcat procedures, just so that they know what to expect when they enter the building, where to sit, all that good stuff, how to open their lockers, take a tour of the building. I'm going to ask a couple of girls who created a cyberbullying thing last year to come and present that, and to add in our see something, hear something, say something narrative. So really it's just to acclimate the 6th graders to Old Kentucky Home Middle School, and if you are a 6th grade teacher, I would love for you to be here for that. And also anyone else who wants to volunteer to be a part of that. I know Chris Mudd, by the way, if you didn't know, our new band director, is trying to come that morning and be a part of the rotation so that he can recruit some 6th grade students into band. So everybody's welcome, but I would really love for 6th grade teachers who have 6th grade students to be here for that. On the 26th is the Wildcat Welcome Back, and that's our big event that we have in the evenings, and I may have the time on this incorrect. I'm going to check this right after I get off here with you guys. I think this may be 5:30 to 8:30, but I'll double check. And then a flexible PD that morning from 8:30 to 3:30, which will include preparing your room, preparing for the welcome back that evening, working out your syllabus, just preparing for our students to be here, and then also others that are here that day. So if you want to meet as a grade level, if you want to meet as a content level, that would be awesome. The 23rd actually might help you decide some ways that you may want to meet as a team on the 26th. Right now it's scheduled Leader and Me, and I'm just going to leave it at that. But the 23rd is an all lead learner training, professional development, if you will, and currently it is with Sarah Sutter. So I'm working out a few more details with that, but it still will be on that day from 8:30 to 3:30, and we will be spending time on our new house system. So just kind of paving the way for what that's going to look like with our students, with our teachers. We'll spend some time drafting the students into your 12-minute Little Care Connect group. And then Tuesday, as it's set right now, is just for the Leader and Me Lighthouse team. But as Monday evolves and I get some more information, it could be one of those situations where if you want to come be a part of this and participate, that would be okay. So those are just some of the upcoming events. That leaves the first week in August pretty free for you guys to just prepare. Prepare to welcome our students back, get the curriculum ready, get your classroom ready, plan your classroom management strategies, digging into your Teach Like a Champion books. And then the 6th and the 7th are required days of us as well. 7th being opening day, but Mr. Bradley has stated that he plans for that to be something that we're going to be able to do in our buildings. So those 2 days are going to really be about getting prepared for our students and making sure that everybody's on the same page, looking at primetime schedules, making sure we have locks for our lockers, going back over the expectations for our students. So that's what those 2 days will be in their regular work days. So 8:30 to 3:30, and the first day for our students is August 8th. That is so soon. So I hope you've had a good summer, but I hope you're ramping up to get ready to come back on August 8th and be your best selves whenever our students enter the building. So with that said, we do have several new lead learners that have become a part of our team this summer, and I have reached out to them to see if they will create a little bio with a picture, and I'm going to add that to this blog, and then I'll share that in an email whenever that's occurred, so everyone can meet all of our new lead learners. So for lead learners who were there last year and for those who have just come on board this year, I do want to share with you the wherewildcatslead.blogspot.com. I have invited the people new to the team to be able to access this blog. And it has lots of the information that you're probably really interested in right now. The 18-19 master schedule, which Michael is still working on, Michael Reynolds, guidance counselor, a little bit, but I feel like it's pretty close to being where it needs to be, if not already. Our professional development plan is linked there. This is a good one to just go back over as a reminder. For folks new to the building to kind of look at our procedures and get an idea about what things will look like. I'm going to link the new lead book here. It is a disaster right now, but it's a work in progress, and I want you to go ahead and be able to get your hands in that and to share any comments or suggestions that you might have as well. Lead Learner Calendar, of course, as always, it is living and updating constantly. And then our daily schedule with restroom breaks and locker times. The actual times for the restroom breaks and lockers are on there, but not broken down by teacher just yet, so that's something I still need to work on. Also, those new to the building, at the bottom of the Lead Learner Calendar, you're going to see a ton of links, and one of those that will be important as the school year starts is the primetime schedule. Again, the names in that schedule haven't been changed yet. It's probably going to have to be tweaked just a little bit, but that'll give you some sort of idea of what the mornings and afternoons look like here at Old Kentucky Home Middle School. So with that said, I am excited to see you all in the next few days. I'm excited to get the school year started, see our kids again, and ready to just make magic with the students and staff at Old Kentucky Home Middle School for the 2018-19 school year. Thank you so much. If you have any questions of me, my phone number, 502-460-6787, school email, melissa.case@nelson. Call the school, any way that you see fit to reach out to me at this point, please do so. I hope you guys are having an excellent summer and that you're relaxed and restored and ready for our kiddos. Thanks.